disgrace to admit I need her. But we all fall from grace. Dust me down and keep her. Sat down here with my head hung down, and I just seek to find a bit of peace, a bit of love, a bit of something left behind. Sat down here, best intentions, and nothing said, nothing lied. A bit of peace, a bit of love, a bit of something left inside.
So yes, oh my goodness, that smells awesome. If you are a colorist or you have intentions of utilizing color, you just know upon cracking open a tube of color, mixing a formula together that involves a tonal highlighter, the smell can be pretty offensive. If, in fact, we probably should be wearing masks when we do permanent color. But the gag here is this is semi-permanent color. It has excellent pigmentation. The life of the color lasts for a very lengthy time, as long as you are treating it well, not abusing it with heat, not over conditioning it, because too much conditioning on color can soften it and it will make it fade. But as you see me here having my play date with my pieces of color, these are tracks that can be added into a hairstyle for pops of color. I do have clients who are not afraid to color their entire head and really go all out and freestyle. I have pictures in my feed of it, and I probably will repost another. But I had so much fun with these colors. Can you imagine what this color smells like? It's so awesome. So yeah, I am having a little play date here with color, just demonstrating to you the shine of the color on the hair. It's pigment. There's a word I wanted to use. I wanted to say the staying power of it. Like you see it on my glove, but it's on the hair and it's staying there. I have so much fun with these. So, along with the view that you're receiving, I want to plug myself and let you know that if you are a new stylist, if you are a current licensed cosmetologist and you would love to learn about the art of color, color placement, color for fine hair, color for thick hair, money pieces. There are so many ways to execute adding just a little. Because as the caption says, sometimes less is more. Where would you see less be more? Imagine someone's hair that is, for this blue, let's say they decided to have green. They wanted a green, all green hair with a low light. Blue would be that low light. I'm sharing these tips. I'm speaking to you freely because I truly get a joy out of assisting those who are in question of their confidence with avoiding costly mistakes behind the chair. I have 2 ebooks currently. If you are interested in the links or how to access these ebooks, put the words more color in the comments underneath this video. And I thank you truly for watching, showing interest, and interacting with me. Peace.